DBK and welcome back to the DBK show. So today I'm going to tell you something very special you can make at your home from very simple things. And remember, this is do it yourself project. You can represent this in your science project or science exhibitions anywhere as possible. And also this product is so helpful that you can use it anywhere. And it's way simple to make and it's way cheap also. So today I'm going to tell you how you can make your own power bank. Yes, you can make your own power bank from simple things. So let's start. So first, let's need first to draw a diagram of how to make it. So first of all, we need a 9-volt battery. Yes, this 9-volt battery we need over here. Okay. So this is gonna be the plus and this is gonna be the minus. Okay, so the plus is going to come here and the minus, so we split it into two. Okay, and you get a transistor in the market that is called IC7260. Remember the name, IC7260. This is gonna come right over here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the charger that is gonna need. My mobile has this charging point. You can take yours, or you can just take the USB cable and then join it later to your charger. Okay, so basically the black one is the negative one and the white one is the positive one. So this one goes right over here and the black one goes right over this one. Okay, so I'm just going to draw the diagram. Remember, black one right over here, the white one's gonna go right over here, and this black is going right over here. Okay, so now we have understood the circuit, so let's start making it. Okay, so now I'm gonna need a connector to connect this battery to the wires. Okay, now basically the red one is the positive one and the black one is the negative one. So positive is gonna go here and the negative is gonna get in the middle. Okay, so now we're gonna take this one. The black one is going to go in the middle part. That is going to connect all the negative ones. And this positive white wire is going to go at the last. So once I'll show you the whole circuit, it's going to look like this. Okay, so now we're going to attach everything to this battery, so it's look like very good and it's very small. So here I have a sellotape. I'm going to attach this to this one. Sorry, before we do this, let's insulate everything. This avoids the cross connections which may result in battery leakage and shocks and explosion. Okay, remember to seal every single wire that is open. Okay, so now it's done completely, and now we just need to attach this over this and all the wires to be secured around it. So let's do it. So after everything is done, it's gonna look something like this. You can put this anywhere in your Tic Tac box or anything like this. I'm not going to do anything, but you can do a lot of stuff from it to make it more decorative and impress your friends. So let's test it now. Okay, so now I have my mobile right over here. Okay, so let's connect it and see it whether it's working or not. So now as you can see, this is totally working. Just see right over here. So it's totally working, and thank you for watching this video. This was the DBK show. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also comment. Thank you.